Thank you for watching Simple Food, Simple Life. Please like, subscribe, and share because other people need to know this stuff too, you know. Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. How are you today? Well, it's rainy here. It started raining and thundering last night. It rained all night, and it's a little bit wet today and windy, so, and cooled off considerably. All right, I want to show you something. About every week, or almost every week, maybe every week and a half, it depends on how long it lasts, I make a pan of rice. Now, this rice is used in my dog's food. She usually gets chicken or something like that with rice and vegetables. But I want to show you how I do this, because this is not just for my dog, it is for me as well. And you can do all kinds of things with this rice that you can make ahead of time. So I want to show you that. Now, in the pan, I've got 3 cups of rice. It's not washed. You do whatever you think you need to do to your rice. I don't wash it, but that's up to you. Now, I have 6 cups of water. Now, the ratio I use rice to water, and I prefer white rice, is 2 to 1. So for every cup of rice, I have 2 cups of water. So because I have 3 cups of rice, I'm going to use 6 cups of water. That's why I have a little bit bigger pan, because this is going to expand. Okay? Now, I have here about half a package of frozen vegetables. These vegetables actually came from Aldi. They were marked down to 87 cents. So I use about half a bag at a time. Okay? They are just mixed vegetables. That's all they are. They're carrots, corn, green beans, and peas. So I put them in as well. And I also add, for more flavor, this is the seasoning I put in here. I put in 2 tablespoons of Knorr chicken flavor bouillon. Now then, I picked this up at Dollar General, but I guess you can get it any place. Now the reason I use 2 tablespoons is because on the jar it calls for 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, or liquid. So I have 6 cups of liquid. I put 2 tablespoons, which equals 3 teaspoons per tablespoon, so that's 6 teaspoon equivalent of bouillon. I don't put anything else in here. I don't put any onions because my dog is eating this. I don't put any other seasoning. I just use this initially when I'm cooking it. And like I said, she gets chicken or whatever meat I make up for her, ground beef, whatever it is. I mix that with a serving of this rice and vegetables for her, and a serving of the meat. I mix it all together. It's cold because it's in the fridge, and I just give it like 20 seconds in the microwave to take the chill off. Sometimes I add some chicken broth, which I usually have from broth I have made. Sometimes I put a little bit of that on there. But my dog has stomach issues, so therefore that's what she gets. And this satisfies her very, very well. So we're going to come back when this is done. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it to a boil. I'm going to cook it for right around 7, 8, 10 minutes. It depends on how much rice I'm working with. Then I take it off the heat, or pop the lid on it, take it off the heat, and let it finish that way. And it comes out perfectly every single time. And I think I do have a video on how I make rice. This is no different. I've made it this way for many, many years, and I see no reason to change it. Okie dokie, this rice is done. I want you to see what this looks like. This is a lot of rice. It's actually more than I usually make. But here it is. Now, I'm just going to put this in a container or two. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and I can eat it, and this is for my little dog as well. Okay? So, give this a try. It tastes good as is, smells really good, and it tastes good as is because it's got a lot of flavor in it. Now then, I wrote this down because I wanted to tell you the different ideas that I have that you can use this rice for, okay? It's things that I have done myself. You can use this rice with the vegetables and the nice flavor in it. You can use it for stir-fried rice. It's great for that. You can use it to make a rice bowl or a salad rice bowl. Just put a scoop in there, add whatever you want to add to it. It lends itself to any seasonings, even extra vegetables or onions, whatever you want to put in it. You can use it to make Spanish rice. You can use it to have with an egg for breakfast. Sometimes I have that. I have some of this rice warmed up and I put a nice soft egg on top, and it is delicious for breakfast. You can add it to soup. Take some broth, tofu, leftover chicken, whatever you want. Put a scoop of the rice in the bowl. Pour your hot broth, some extra vegetables, some leftover meat, whatever you want. Add it to that, and it makes a really delicious soup. You can also make rice patties out of this. I have a video that shows how to make rice patties with a dipping sauce, and they are awesome. You can use it as is, as a side dish. Warm it up, put it on your plate, put a slice of cheese on it, and it is absolutely delicious. And also, you can use this rice in a casserole. It's already made. You don't have to go to any work. Take some of this rice, put it in a casserole dish, put a cream sauce, cream soup, whatever you want to, put a can of tuna in there, and you've got supper. I'm just saying. So, okay, that is it. I hope you guys give this a try. If this is helpful to you, put it in the comments below and let me know. And just let me know, what would you do differently? If there's something that you would do differently with this, let me know what it is. And honestly, you don't have to cook the rice this way. You can cook the rice however it makes you happy, or in whatever way you are used to. Okay? All right, I love you guys. You know I do. I hope that this is something that's helpful to you. And you know, as always, that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right, give it a try. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.